Today we're going to talk about dollar yen. Is mostly forex for today. I will talk about dollar yen, euro yen, and pound yen. Maybe even Aussie dollar USD. We'll see as it goes. Okay. So lagging chart works on every charts basically. So even if you are trading forex, you still can make money using lagging chart. So this is the weekly chart for dollar yen. As you can see, this is the moving average. When the moving average is supporting the price, as you can see here, it managed to goes parabolic after going near to this zone. So every time it goes near to the mean, it will bounce back upwards. That is what we are looking for. So there's a strong pullback here, and there's a lot of wicks here, as you can see here. A lot of wicks. There's a failed attempt to break out. Failed attempt. This is the second attempt. So it's building up momentum right now. You can see that the candles is above this smaller moving average. So there is momentum going on. We will expect it to hit upwards, but expect to be resisted somewhere around here. So it might go all the way up to 152 or somewhere plus minus here before maybe it will come back down, retest this area again. So this is the worst bad case scenario. Worst case scenario, it will be it'll just break down below this one and continue downwards. This is the worst case scenario. But for now, we expect some kind of move upwards, but it will be resisted in this area. It might, if it has a little bit move upwards, it can even reach this area, retest the previous high. But it will take some time. It will take a lot of time because this is the last time it reached here is in July 24. So who knows? Maybe it will. Maybe by year end it will reach this area. Hopefully. But then for now, expect some kind of move upwards in the short term period. Let's see the daily chart. Daily chart appears to be consolidating after the pullback here. You can see the pullbacks double top and break of neckline, crashes down, supported for a while, failed to bounce, crash down again. Yeah, a small bounce upwards, retest this moving average. Notice that the moving average is already pointing down, indicating momentum is heading towards the south. So if you try to buy here, you're most likely to be losing your money because as you can see, it crashed down further downwards. And then another bounce. This is where it goes, becomes interesting. You can see that this is the bottom and this is a lower high. I mean a higher low, excuse me. So a higher low. So if this momentum here breaks above this one and creates a higher high somewhere around here, then we might see prices actually recovering all the way upwards. So yeah, it's not impossible, but now for now the trend is still downwards. You can see the trend is still downwards, it's pointing downwards, but then it's showing signs, although the higher high is still the highs are still lower highs. You can see lower highs, but then the lows are, they had a higher low here. So if this one actually breaks above, it will be stepping upwards. So yeah, US dollar might have some move upwards based on this setup. So it might go up. Nothing is impossible. So let's check out the 30-minute chart appears to be strong. You can see here, this is the low just now, the low and a higher high, and all the higher lows. Sorry, and all the lows are getting higher and higher, and it's breaking out and breaking out from previous high. So it's a good sign. It's a good sign that it will eventually break above higher. So yeah, dollar yen, dollar appears to be stronger than yen for at this moment. It should reach higher, gain a lot more compared to the yen. Yen will be quite dampened right now. So let's check out the euro yen. Euro yen, okay. Long term weekly chart appears to be still on upward. So that's a good thing. But then do not attempt to buy at this point because this is support area and this is somehow a resistance area. You can see this area somehow is a resistance area. Every time the prices near this area, you pull back, except this one where it breaks out. But the breakout failed to carry on forward and it crashes back down. So another bounce into this zone and then it fails to go up again. Now it tries to touch this area again. So imagine if you buy here and then goes back down here, you'll be in a lot of pain. So just wait for it to play out. Do not try to enter here. Okay, this is a euro yen. Euro yen appears to be sideways at the moment. Let's check out the daily chart. Daily chart appears to be extended, as you can see. It's quite extended. Has entered this previous zone here. So actually, this is a zone, not a single line. So it is supported by this moving average, which is slightly pointing upwards, which is a good thing. So it is supported here. It respected the moving average. It respected it here again, and respected here. So this moving average is very much respected by the price at different occasions. Although there is quite a lot of breakout as well. So this one is for now, expect some kind of move downwards, maybe down here again. So we'll see how it goes because daily chart and weekly chart appears to be at the same quite sync up actually. Can see that the price actually enters these resistance zones here and here. So it will come back down, but the price, the momentum is heading stronger soon. As you can see that the moving average is slightly turning upwards. So expect some kind of move back into this moving average before any upward move is possible, if there is an upward move. Because right here it is quite a support area, resistance area here. So if it breaks out, it will retest this previous high. So yeah, euro yen is not really a good place to put your money right now. So yeah, now let's check out the pound yen, GBPJPY. Okay, pound yen weekly chart quite similar to euro yen. Yeah, it's good for now. You can see it's still heading upwards. Higher lows. This line down here, and it actually breaks this trend line. So it breaks out, it's going to retest this area now. So if it really breaks out, it might retest the higher prices here. This is a weekly chart, so expect it to play out maybe up to the end of the year. So let's check out the daily chart. Daily chart of pound yen. Pound yen appears to be resisted. Oh, you can see here this is a strong upward move. Previously, I mentioned that BNF method, when it goes too far away from this moving average, expect some kind of major move downwards towards this area. So it actually pierces through this moving average, goes further downwards until here before any rebound upwards. So back to the mean. So if BNF were to take this kind of trade, he will make a lot of money doing this. So this is his ultimate method of making money. I forgot to make the CIS video, but I'll try to make it as soon as possible. But for now, I'll be posting videos about Forex and maybe stocks. So this is the zone that we are talking about. This zone is a very strong zone. So when the price goes up to here, it will most likely go back down here. So pound yen is not doing too well. So okay, let's see Aussie dollar USD. So AUDUSD is it's a very downward trend. You can see you can see that the long-term average is pointing downwards, means you're looking to short the stock instead of buying. So if the price is below this moving average, aim to short the stock. If just like here, you shorted the stock and crash down, and shorted the stock here and crash down here. So this is like a few weeks to months. So the price is heading towards here again. So is this a double bottom, a breakout? Is it possible? It might hit here and then pull back a little bit and then break up. It is possible for this scenario to happen. So you can see this area is a very strong support area. Every time it touches this area, it bounces up. Touches this area and bounce up. So it's a very strong area. If you're planning to buy Aussie dollar versus the USD, expect if there's a price move downwards to this area and you see the momentum is drying out, you can try to attempt to buy in here and then see if it goes up. Set your stop loss somewhere down here, and then you're risking this much to make this much, maybe even to this moving average area. So that's quite a lot. So let's check out the daily chart. Okay, remove these things. As you can see here, daily chart shows after the big move downwards, it has a small bounce up to touch this moving average. So this shows that it respected this moving average, crash down, continue downwards, and then another attempt moving upwards to this area, fails, and then crash down again here. So it tries to again to go back to the mean, which it did in this area, and then it breaks above it slightly. So this is the daily chart. So let's check out a weekly chart showing. A weekly chart, we want to talk about the weekly chart. So it appears that just like what we see here, the moving average is here in the weekly chart. So it will touch here and then break down, most likely. So if it touch here, it will be somewhere around here, and touch here. Not much of hope for Aussie dollar USD unless something really big policy change happens. It will most likely continue downwards. So if any attempt to touch this area, you can short it. Maybe it will go back down, but then this double bottom shows that it might go up. As you can see, previous double bottoms actually shown that it has gone up, you see, but it's not a lot. This double bottom has gone up to quite a lot. It will hit this area and then maybe pull back down. So Aussie dollar is not looking good. Okay, let's check out yen versus Chinese. Oh, okay. What about this one? Okay, someone mentioned something about Malaysian ringgit. Okay, dollar Malaysian ringgit. Okay, yeah, Malaysian ringgit appears. This is the dollar versus Malaysian ringgit. Okay, so the dollar actually, this is a very strong, very strong resistance for the dollar. So every time it touches here, it crash. Every time it touches here, it crash. Every time it touches here, it crash again. So this area is dead zone for the US dollar. So if you see prices going all the way up here and touches this area, expect it to crash down. Yeah, no joke. You can see here, almost every time it touches this area, it will crash down. So yeah, prices is now below this moving average, which is pointing downwards. So expect negative. But then there's something happening. If you can see here, even though the moving average is pointing downwards and the smaller one has gone significantly lower, you can see if you zoom out, this area, this zone is actually some kind of support resistant area. See, a lot of buyer or seller in this area. Even this one is there is this move upwards is consolidated in this area. So this zone is very strong. So it's very strong. It has gone down quite a lot from where is this, early this year all the way to here is about 6 months. So you can see that the momentum appears to be slowing down. This is a low and this is a higher low. So what does it tells us? That the momentum is coming back. It might retest this area, which coincides with this moving average going downwards. So it will retest this area for the area. So dollar I expect to move up versus the Malaysian ringgit. It will go up all the way up to 440, around 440. So it's about 16 cents move. It's quite a lot. Okay, this is a weekly chart. So expect it to continue moving upwards in maybe second half of the year, maybe end of the year. Because this weekly chart, it will take some time to move up. So daily chart appears okay. Daily chart shows a more clearer picture. See how this is the mean area. It's gone down too much away from this moving average. It's still quite far away, and you can see this area appears to be a very strong support area. Every time it touches here, bounce, touches this again, bounce. Although the bounce is not as strong here, then the can see that the price actually tells you something. The first move downwards, this crash downwards, it reached here. Second downwards crash down, reach here, and the third one actually goes up higher. So this is there stepping upwards. So expect price to break out soon to retest this area, which is also around 440 area or 435 or 440 area. So expect it to go up a little bit. I expect some kind of move upwards. It might not reach too high level, but who knows, it might go up. So the ringgit will be going up to this area somewhere 435 or 440 at most, which is 440 is around here. So yeah, it might go up all the way there. So if you're trading the dollar versus the ringgit, yeah, expect to have some kind of move upwards to this moving average area. Overall, if you look at this dollar versus Malaysian ringgit chart, dollar appears this very longer term. You can see that this pullback here is crashed down here. It's not really a pullback, it's more like crash. It created a very very low bottom, and then this one you can see here, the major significant crash, the second significant crash actually is higher. So it indicates that strength is coming back to the dollar. It will eventually break out into retest the previous high area. So if you are holding any US dollar Malaysian ringgit, either physical cash or Forex contract, expect it to go upwards in the long term. Even in the daily chart, it will go upwards. So yeah, ringgit appears to be weakening. It's not as strong as the end of last year. Let's check out what else. I think how about this one, ringgit versus Chinese yuan. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see the bigger picture. Okay. Okay. This one shows that ringgit is actually weakening as well. So this is the previous areas strong. Oops. This area is a strong area. So every time it touches here, there is bound to have some kind of pullback. Small pullback, big pullback, medium pullback. So now you can see that the momentum is dying down here. So expect some kind of pullback for ringgit yuan, Chinese yuan. So if you're holding ringgit, it's best to change it to other foreign currencies because it appears to be ringgit is coming downwards. Let's check out the daily chart. Yeah, this shows, you can see here, this is a high, lower high, and lower high. So this is a strong area. You can see here when it goes near the zone, it breaks. Goes near the zone, it breaks. So this will eventually come down to this zone to retest this area, which might coincide with this moving upwards. So we are not going to know when it will happen. It might happen here. It might happen here. It might just go sideways then crash down. Anything is possible. So what we are trying to predict is where it will go in the medium to long term. So it will come down. It will come down because this is shows very weak one. This is an immediate neckline. If it breaks, it's most likely going down to this area, so this zone area. So if it breaks here and if there's a slow momentum and it enters this area, it's a buy signal. It's a buy signal. So because the moving average will go up here, this support area is here. If it comes here and it the momentum slows down and breaks up above, it might happen. So if the momentum starts slowing down, it's a very good entry point. So yeah, let's try not to make this video too long. I try to keep the videos within the range of 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes. So remember to subscribe, share out my video, and also check out my older videos. There's tons of stuff there. So thanks for your support. Subscribe. Thank you.